Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today we're going to be doing a tire rotation on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. The way we're going to rotate these tires is because I only have two jack stands and one jack. We're going to, on each side, jack up the car, take the back tires, put them to the front and the front to the back, do it on the same side, on the other side. And then once we do both of those, we're going to go to the front and we're going to switch the front right and the left front right, and that way it's basically like where the front left tire went to the rear right tire, the right front went to the left rear. So now all you want to do is you want to switch the two front tires. And then finally we're going to raise the car back up one more time to take out the jacks and then torque the wheels since the wheels are spinning. And lastly, just do the other side. And that's it. There you go. That's how to rotate your tires on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.